This video is for the solo Shopify store owners building everything on their own. One mistake a lot of entrepreneurs make is thinking that if their store isn't getting traffic, they just need to work harder. But honestly, that's not the real problem. You can spend all day manually rewriting titles and piecing together keywords, but there's only so much work one person can do. No amount of manual effort is going to beat the algorithm. That's exactly why I stopped doing these repetitive tasks myself and started using Accio Work to automate my entire traffic optimization workflow. Inside its plugin library, email management, document handling, and cross-platform collaboration all connect seamlessly like building blocks. But enough background. Let's jump into a real example. When you activate its sourcing plugin, Accio Work connects directly to Alibaba.com and scans the supplier network. Within seconds, it uncovers real sourcing costs and reliable suppliers behind trending products, helping you calculate profit margins before making a move. But what saves me the most time is its complete plugin ecosystem, which covers almost every part of running a store. Not only does it include tools like Shopify SEO tool for search optimization, but it also comes with marketing plugins for major social media platforms. On top of that, everyday tools like Gmail, Lark, and Notion are already integrated into the system. There's no complicated setup to learn. It's basically a ready-to-use, fully automated toolkit built for Shopify store operators. Once you've reviewed everything, click Confirm. The optimized content can be synced to your Shopify store in a few steps. Whether you're working from your desk or on the go, you can launch products in seconds from anywhere. At the end of the day, the more repetitive work you hand over to automation, the more time you have to focus on the decisions that actually make money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've left the Accio Work trial link in the comments below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next video.